Scene 1. Morning plans. Tom wakes up early. The sun is bright outside his window. Today is his day off. He wants to visit a nearby town. He packs a small bag and checks his phone. The bus leaves in 1 hour. Scene 2. The bus ride. Tom waits at the bus stop. The street is calm. A blue bus arrives and stops. Tom gets on and finds a seat by the window. The bus starts moving. He feels excited and a little nervous. Scene 3. A new town. The bus stops in the town center. Tom steps off the bus. He sees small shops and cafes. People walk and talk around him. Everything feels new and interesting. Tom smiles and starts walking. Scene 4. A small problem. Tom wants to eat lunch. He enters a cafe. The menu is only in the local language. Tom feels confused. He takes a deep breath and points to a picture. The server nods and smiles. Scene 5. A friendly moment. Tom sits at a small table. His food arrives. It smells good. A local man sits nearby and says hello. They talk slowly and share a laugh. Tom feels more relaxed now. Scene 6. Going home. In the evening, Tom takes the bus home. The sky is orange and pink. He thinks about the day. The trip was simple, but special. Tom feels proud of himself. He smiles as the bus moves on.